When you first start the Tobri connections, the little spinning ball indicates that it's building your graph for you. This is done by researching the Tobri database and then reflecting that use to you, and then transferring that to your computer so that it can display the graphic for you. Here in this graph, we show a couple of, we show 4 or 5 first level connections. When you start expanding down here in the bottom to the second degree of connection, you will, second degree of separation, you'll start to see how the graph exponentially grows. This is based on your friends and your friends' friends knowing many others. So you can see how this goes outward. If you select the primary user, then you can see where those people are directly connected and how they are connected to each other. So this user and Tobri are all connected directly. Also, you'll find that a direct friend relationship with this woman to Tobri then gives you the ability to see even more outside of your own network. When you start selecting, now this is in the 4th degree, so we can go to the 3rd degree and we can double click a node and see how an individual is connected to us. Other things that we can do from within here are just to select our Tobri friends from the drop-down menu, and the system will develop a new graph. Now you'll see that the system has developed just our Tobri friends, and that we are now able to see how we are connected directly to those persons. You also have the ability to hover on these and learn more about the individuals, drag them outside, and you can additionally choose your direct friends. You could choose your children, your friends, your family, as each of these drop-down menus gives you the option. Now, when you're ready to explore the search functions, you can type in a keyword here, and we'll just type in the word internet into the search area, and we'll press the search button. Here you can see that the search results were built here on the right-hand side for us, and where we have 126 results, 21 profiles, 5 events, 48 blog entries, polls, groups, videos, classified ads, other links, and then also a photo album. Now what you're going to see initially here is just the 21 immediate profile connections, and you'll see those populated with the pictures. You can see how those are. And occasionally you'll find another example. So we can look at the listing, and we'll be able to see that there are 21 examples right here. And you can see if you're following those persons or not following those persons. Gives you a way to expand your network without having any real friend connections. Just allows you to get to know the people. So you can swap back and forth between the graph and the graphic and the listing. You can also go look at events, and it will build a graph from that as well, and it will give you the opportunity to see that. As you can see, when you get your return back, you'll be able to see that there are 5 events. You have JV Alert Live, we have an unknown event here, we have a second event here, and then we have a new JV Alert in Denver. So you can explore those. We'll also go over here and look at some polls, and you can see that we've now returned 12 different polls. If you hover over a poll, you will then get the information in the right-hand column that says, this is about my IM business, and it revolves around mainly other items. Now you can hover in this. Internet Marketer created this. We have a cell phones created this. We have a digital ethics, responsible cyber citizens created a poll, and all of them have to do with the internet. Next, we'll look at some groups. As you'll see, we'll have 27 groups that are listed. We'll go back and forth between those. Some of them are related to one another, so it's only showing us the first degree of separation. Now we're going to start seeing more of the 27 that are actually out there. We're going to see how those are related to us. You can see that the Tobri group is related to this individual. This individual is related here. Again, we have a 2 or 3 step relationship between people. So that's really how this builds out, and you're able to then find new people that you want to connect with. If you just want to, you can give it a right click, and you'll be able to connect to individuals. You'll see swapping from Facebook to Tobri. You can keep this node, you can hide it, we can go directly to the URL. This gives you just a few of the things that you can do in a forum or in a group post that allows you to see how your connections are related. Thanks for watching.